As you know, Copilot can be a real game changer for the business world by increasing the efficiency of Microsoft Office workers by about 30%. What you may not know is that there are two very different ways that Copilot works with your data. And one contains a profound hidden risk, now addressed by a new Microsoft feature that you're definitely going to want your IT department to implement. In Microsoft Office apps like Word or Excel, you pick the files it uses. This allows you to skip over obsolete and inappropriate versions of documents so that you get the best results. However, what many people don't understand is that when you use Copilot in Microsoft Teams to generate strategic advice, its operation is very different. When asking for advice in Microsoft Teams, Copilot alone decides which documents to use to construct its guidance. And Copilot will use any document that it deems relevant from amongst all the documents that an individual user is able to reach throughout their entire environment, including their own personal OneDrive. For many organizations without good document management controls or intranet governance, studies show that up to 65% of the information that Copilot is going to access could be obsolete, inaccurate, confidential, or, in the case of OneDrive, incredibly inappropriate. With 65% bad data, it might recommend a budget based on outdated forecasts, costing millions, or leak confidential client terms to a public summary. That's not hypothetical, it's a real risk. The good news is that Microsoft has recently implemented a capability that can empower site and library owners to block Copilot from referencing documents that are inappropriate for consideration. That's a huge advantage when you consider that the alternative is to completely clean up your environment. So how can you end up with a sensitivity label that site owners can use to lock out Copilot? It's easy. Talk to your IT department and ask them to enable a function called BlockContentAnalysisServices via PowerShell, and then create a sensitivity label in Purview named Copilot Off, and then publish that sensitivity label to the site owners so that they can apply it wherever they see fit, library by library, or even file by file. Copilot's value is huge, but only when it's operating with appropriate information. Ask IT for that sensitivity label today and start getting the best results from Copilot. Feel free to contact Jack Frost Design if you have any questions about this new feature. And thanks for watching.